Hey chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and if you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take a quick second to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Guys, today I am so excited to show you how to make this easy chicken kale recipe with kale that came straight from our vegetable garden. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use in this recipe. I have some seasoning salt, some ground paprika, some onion powder, some Cajun seasoning, some garlic powder. I have some browning, as well as some sazon. I have an onion, some parsley, some green onions, and a red bell pepper. So first I dice 2 chicken breasts, soak them in some vinegar and water solution, then rinse them under cool running water. Next, I'm adding a combination of seasoned salt, garlic and onion powder, dry celery, Cajun seasoning, paprika, and 1 pack of sazon. Next, I'm adding a 1/4 piece of a small onion finely chopped, as well as 2 to 3 green onions finely chopped. And now I'm adding a 1/4 piece of red bell pepper. I'm adding the remainder of my chopped onion. I'm adding some fresh parsley from my garden. I am done adding all my ingredients, so I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. I'm adding a little bit of Cajun seasoning to spice it up a little bit more. Once I'm done, I'm going to set it aside so that it can infuse all the spices and flavors. So guys, now I'm going to fill up my colander with some freshly picked kale from the garden, and I'm going to wash it under some cold water. Next, I'm finely chopping my kale. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you've ever cooked kale or if you've ever had kale before. I'm preheating 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, but you can add any oil of your choice. Next, I'm adding some fresh chopped green onions. I'm going to allow them to cook on medium heat until they are translucent while stirring them occasionally. Now I'm ready to add my marinated chicken. I'm giving it a quick stir to spread it throughout the pan. I'm cooking the chicken for about 12 minutes while stirring it occasionally, or until the chicken starts to turn color or turn white. I'm going to cover my chicken and allow it to cook until the chicken is no longer pink. To give my chicken some color, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of browning. I'm using my spatula to spread the browning onto each piece of chicken. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used browning on your chicken. I'm going to give it about 2 to 3 more minutes so that it can soak up the browning and have this beautiful golden color. So now it's time to add the chopped kale. You could either transfer the chicken into a bigger pot or add the kale a little at a time. After adding my first set of kale, I'm going to mix it in with the chicken. I'm going to continue mixing in the chopped kale about a cup at a time until I have added all the chopped kale. Stirring the kale in between adding fresh kale will help to bring the steamed kale to the top and the raw kale to the bottom of the pot. After my taste test, the taste was not quite there yet, so I sprinkled a little bit of garlic powder along with 1 teaspoon of white distilled vinegar, and you can use the vinegar of your choice. The vinegar will help to soften the kale since kale is a little bit rough and tough on the edges. I'm using my spatula to mix in the garlic powder as well as the vinegar. Cook for 2 minutes on low while stirring occasionally. Guys, the kale is just about done cooking. It has some beautiful bright colors to it and it smells good too. Guys, let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite kale recipe? Whether it is chips, steamed, or even in the salads. Full recipe will be on Closkitchen.com. Now it's time to eat. I serve my kale with some flavored rice. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.